Labhan ko kahapon, guys. Live to guys. Hello everyone. Nauga pa Jod. Right pa Jod. Kahit malamig na siya. Nauga pa pala siya. Malamig na. Partner. Wala na siya. Ang partner. Ang walay partner. Nga. Oh, Marisa. It's okay. And that's it, life. Paano na ibutang ako? Ay, ano na siya? Itigom na din. No more iron. Just all right away. That's it. May usong iron din sa Amerika. Walay uso ang iron dito sa Amerika, guys. Just hold it right away. And that's it. Hello. That's it. I love to fold. Yeah, that's my favorite. Magtupi. Yes. Ano na siya? Yeah. Trabaho ko sa hotel sa una, laundry. Magtupi ng mga towels. At the same time, cleaning the rooms, checking the rooms, especially the VIP rooms. That's my job before. Self-inspector. What? La 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 la. Bango. I love the fold, guys. In the hotel, you have to fold fast because there's a bunch of towels, big towels, washcloths, and everything. You need to fast. Yeah, wala pag ganun ko ng plan sa char. My Brabagol, my sports bra. I love sports bra. Dili siya mo ano. May sports bra dili manghulog. Chuk. Mo stuck na siya doon. Whereas the bra yung nga what? What? Quick. Malamig ang simoy ng Hello, one viewer. Hello, guys. Ano ni hanger? Hanger naman ni guys. Tell me love a lot. No matter how I try, I wanna say goodbye to me. One day, baby, illusion. See you next year, short. Dahil malamig na, no more shorts. Dali ng panahon, no? Time so fast. Yeah. Ganahan ko mag-fold. I love fold. That's money. Hello. I love this one because there's a foam on it already. No need to wear the bra. It's hard to find like this. No more sleeves. See you next year. No more sleeves and shorts. It's getting colder. It's getting cold and colder and coldest. Cold, colder, coldest. I forgot what time it is. No, be coldest. No, be coldest. Coldest. Somebody. So, guys, nag-order ko sa Shein. What happened? I thought it's longer. Pero, it's too short and my belly will show up. Sa picture, akala ko mataas pero pag sinod ko na aga maliit pala, nakita ang aking tiyan-tiyani. Pero okay lang, pangbalay na pangbahay. Mga mura lang to sa Shein. Ako din yung i-hanger, guys. Start wearing socks now because it's too cold. Wala ko pagpila sa socks, guys. So ako na, anyan, chuk, kaya na. Para hindi mawala yung isa. Para ma-stuck together. Stick together silang dalawa. Ang isa ni nawala. Ayan siya. Flip it. Balihon. Flip it. Ang shoulder. Chuk! Ano na siya? Of course. Ano na ako magpilo sa underwear, guys. Oh. Chuk! Mga pambalay. Pambahay na underwear. Na lost thread. Lost thread na pambahay. House underwear. House underwear. Oh, iba ang panglakaw, panglakad, panglabas na underwear. Pambahay, balag lost thread. Ito guys, ay di pod lost thread ay still nindot pa man ni. I love black color underwear because white is not good. I love the color, especially black color. I love it. Granny, I'm a granny guys. Granny underwear. Poor Marisa, I'm a granny. I'm old. Gamay naman akong labhonan, no? Every week kung kumang laba guys, every week. Every Thursday. I love this one. Oh, but it's small lang. Love it. There's an underwear. Lalo, hindi. Balsa, oh. I love it. Siya. From Shein. I love Shein. The small size. No need to wear the ano guys, oh. There's a short inside. Love it. With pocket. Long pocket. Yeah. It's good for the... Yeah, it's good for the beach. Yeah. Love it. From Shein. Mga mura lang. Mga mura-mura. Oh boy. Hanger po ni. There's another. The one earlier was gray, and this one is maroon. Same design. There's a short inside. From Shein again. Today there's a slit. Today there's a short. I love it. Nice, you guys. I love it. Too sexy. Too sexy. It's good mag-zumba ka or doing exercises. Gray and maroon. There's maroon or red. Another granny. Another granny underwear. Oh. Tsada kay kumapilog underwear. You know my sister before she she fold underwear like that. Ana. Guys, ana love you. Ano siya? My sister Jocelyn, like that. No? Ano siya doon? No? Oh, that's it. Magpiro siya underwear. My sister John is all like underwear like this. Bah, it's nice. But me, go like that. This one from Shein to. Mga mugbo kayo. Kita tong bili. Masakit na yung tiyan. Suotan nyo. It's shorter. Pero, it's good for the summer only. Pambalay. Pambalay lang ni siya guys pag summer. Pambalay, pambalay. Purple blue. The blue. From Shein again. I love the color blue. In fairness, hindi siya maglubad. No. Ayaw kay tila ba? Mga nice cloth ang kuan sa Shein. Shein. Sound. Hindi siya maglubad. That's it guys. Kunti lang man akong nalabhan di gahapon. Kaya every Thursday man ako maglaba. Maybe that's the last laundry outside because it's cold na. It's getting cold. Thank you guys. Thank you one viewer. Nag-live lang ko kay para na tayo ma-upload. Thank you. I'm done folding. That's it. Ilagay ko na to sa aking done na. Cute ha? Mga cute. That's it guys. Kunti lang. Yan lang. Yan lang guys. And then, ayan. Okay guys. Thank you. Ilagay na natin sa ating mga